The CURB Engineering Research Center aims to address a simple yet devastating fact. Our planet is in trouble. Carbon emissions pose an enormous threat to a livable planet for many species, including humans. But efforts to reduce our carbon footprint have struggled to compete with economic reliance on carbon in energy and manufacturing. CURB's vision is to reduce carbon emissions by driving a sustainable circular carbon economy. To do this, CURB will advance, deploy, and scale electro-biomanufacturing engineered systems that not only remove CO2, but also valorize it and produce products to replace petrochemical compounds, the emissions source. With high system efficiency, we strive for net zero manufacturing industries that incentivize carbon capture and generate high-quality jobs, making the U.S. a leader in a crucial technological shift. Washington University leads the CURB ERC with core partners Prairie View A&M University, Texas A&M University, and University of Delaware. The research will converge broad disciplines to transform electro-biomanufacturing engineering systems and address challenges in scalability and adoption. This includes overcoming current limitations of biological, thermochemical, photochemical, and electrochemical processes to double efficiency and diversify products. In particular, the recent National Academies of Science and Engineering report on carbon utilization has highlighted the importance of biocompatible intermediates for building electro-biomanufacturing and engineering systems. CURB will advance this new frontier to enable the economics, scalability, and emission impacts for broad implementation and consequent societal change. Scalable testbed facilities at WashU and Delaware allow CURB to carry out pilot studies of carbon capture and conversion in industrially relevant environments. More than 18 industry and implementation partners are already committed to CURB. Deep interactions with partners are designed to increase impact, especially in underserved communities disproportionately affected by carbon emissions. CURB has the potential to transform engineering education, the manufacturing industry, and the U.S. economy. These are benefits that grow from the center's mission to help save the planet from choking on carbon emissions.